We got Do the Man, can't nobody else do it. Do the can, hey. Oh, he turned up. We got us some Logan Steakhouse. I got Duda the grilled chicken with the rice. And then I got a porterhouse steak. With a loaded potato and some broccoli. Y'all know we had to get the extra rolls. Want your roll, dude? Got your roll too. You like that roll? Now we gotta prep this with a loaded potato. Oh, that's butter, dude. That's all butter. That's cream cheese. Let me finish putting it together, baby. Wanna try the broccoli? That broccoli good, dude. Got the cheese on it. I love cheese broccoli. Stop being scary and try it. Nice and cheesy, ain't it? But good? I had bought some of the Texas Roadhouse butter, but I don't know where it's at. So we gotta use what they got. Shouldn't be too bad. Regular butter. Cool with me. I love me a loaded baked potato. You gotta start with this before you get to the steak. What they call it, appetizer. How you like that, dude? Everything good? They got your food right? Got my steak medium well. You ain't taste your meats yet. I'll let you finish. I see you eating broccoli right now. Let me put some on there for you. Help you out. Now you got chicken. That's grilled chicken, man. That real good. That real good, ain't it? Yeah, I told you. Got this porterhouse. finna make this steak disappear. That rice good? You wanna taste it? Try that. Got lots of flavor. Mmm. The steak's so good. Seasoned to perfection. Toast. Hey, they ain't give us our drink. I don't think about it. You're supposed to get a drink with your kids' meal. Supposed to be a raspberry. Just want to. You like the rice? Here you go. Want to taste the steak, Akil? That's the third piece of bread you grabbed, Doodle. That's the fourth bread you grabbed, Doodle. You just taking bites of everything, man. That's what it is.